Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp status. So let's start the video. First of all, like the video and subscribe the channel. So you have to go to your app store and here you have to download the WhatsApp. After download WhatsApp application, now I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp status for free. So now after downloading the app, you have to go to your WhatsApp and enter your all the data and you see the WhatsApp status of your contacts. So you have to scroll down your screen. Here you can see there's an option of screen recording. You have to touch on that. After touch on screen recording, you have to go to your WhatsApp. Now going to your WhatsApp, select on status that you wanted to download. After selecting the status, I'm selecting any status that I want to download. After selecting that status, here you can see I'm screen recording that status. So keep the watching the video and screen recording is on. The all the data, all the sharing, so all this on the data on the screen is recording. Now all the image like what are you using now is scanning and it's recording and it will be downloaded to your photos gallery. This is method how you can easily record your screen. So this is method you can easily status download status on WhatsApp on an iPhone phone. If you're an iPhone user, you don't know how to download, so this is the method that easily you can use. Now you can see your in your gallery the video is downloaded. Now you can easily edit your video. Here is an option of edit. Now crop the name of the person and all that bottom things you have to crop that. After cropping that, you can see this is a it seems like you have the actual video of that thing. So this is the method how you can easily scan or easily record anything on your WhatsApp of your status and all that of your screen. So hope so friends you like this video. Thank you so much for watching the video and subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon.